Go.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I think I can. Wait.
So,
Okay, go.
okay. Here's our nerds, as you can see. And we found out...
Yeah, I know, Mom.
And we found out a trick, like, 2 seconds ago. If you, like, hum or you're talking to
Or
the nerds
blow.
or blow or whatever, it makes a weird noise. Hear it. Sorry.
Wow, let's try it.
I like it.
Any louder? There's parents downstairs. Aww. Sammy.
Does that mean they're being mean to you? Hold on. Wait. Why are you doing elephant noise? Darn it.
Oh, that was terrible.
Darn, do a car noise. Talk like somebody scurrying into camera. Okay.
Okay, ready?
So to do this trick, you got to get
a nerd
these
box, a box of nerds.
the box of nerds.
Whatever flavor your heart desires.
Yeah.
Get some monsters when you get thirsty.
Yeah.
Thirst. Oh, wait. I dropped a nerd. Oh, here we go. Want me to do it again?
Okay, do that again. Do this timer and I'll do the honking.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. I think I could do it.
Wait, hold on. Sorry.
Okay.
Do it again.
Do it again?
Do it again,
Okay. It causes a lot of saliva to form, just to forewarn you.
Okay, so yeah, get a box of nerds and try the totally awesome trick and annoy your parents and your friends. Bye.
You look so scary.
Bye.